Today we continue with the Sefer Chofetz Chaim, and our big topic is the same, believe in Rechilus. Was it last time? Second. Right, believe in Rechilus. And today's topic is circumstantial evidence. It is in the case of as in the case of Lashon Hara, the one instance where Rechilus may be believed as a fact is where the report confirms a suspicion already supported by the evidence which would be insufficient on its own. If, for example, someone's strange behavior is a clear indication of having done something wrong, and the person then claims to have witnessed the act, may one believe the person's account? Good question, right? This does not, however, permit sharing the information with others unless there is a halachically accepted constructive purpose in doing so. In summation, Rechilus may be spoken and listened to for a constructive purpose, but it may be believed only when supported by circumstantial evidence. Okay, so let's do it again, and we're going to explain. Circumstantial evidence. As a general rule, we don't accept circumstantial evidence in Judaism, right? So, in circumstantial evidence, Talmud gives an example. You see that a guy chasing another guy, right? And he's screaming, "I'm going to kill you! I'm going to kill you!" And he holds the knife in his hand, right? And you want to try to stop this pursuer. And you follow them, and you ran after them, and they ran into the building, and you hear the screams, right? The screams, or even two witnesses, right? Forget about one way, two witnesses. It's better example. So two witnesses, they heard the screams, and that one that were pursuing comes out, right, from that building. All of the blood on his clothing, on his shoes, and he's holding the knife with the blood on it. So this is circumstantial evidence. So based on this evidence, court would not be able to incriminate this person. It's very interesting. That was how we be precise with our judgment. Okay. So and it says but in some cases, right? In some cases, as this one, the circumstantial evidence may be accepted. Okay, under limited conditions, of course. So again, as in the case of the Lashon Hara, the one instance where Rechilus may be believed, right? The same as about Lashon Hara, as a fact. If there is a report confirms a suspicion already supported by evidence, which would be insufficient on its own, right? So okay, so something is going on, and it's like. You have a suspicion, and then somebody can confirm the suspicion. If, for example, someone's strange behavior is of clear indication that of having done something wrong, right? So a person looks like something is going on, and the person then claims to have witnessed. So meaning somebody else is telling us witness the act. One may believe that person's account. Okay. So you saw that this person acted strangely, and then later on somebody said, "I saw that he did so and so," and it makes sense. Okay, logical. Okay, this does not, however, permit the sharing of the information with others, unless there is a halachic acceptance, constructive purpose doing so. So, as in many cases we said, even though we are allowed to believe or take into consideration, it does not mean that we are allowed to share with others unless it is very relevant to them as well for us. Okay, and it says, continue. In summation, Rechilus may be spoken and listened to for a constructive purpose, but may be believed only if supported by circumstantial evidence. So circumstantial evidence plus this report, you may believe it. Okay, stop here. No problem. So let's see if we have any questions. I think we don't have. Okay, don't have. No problem.